Good morning everyone and welcome to Alphington Grammar School's first remote learning assembly. It's wonderful to see some happy smiling faces back in the school again. In all seriousness, you're doing a wonderful job from home. It's great to see you on the screens when we get a chance to do that when we're teaching or we're catching up with you, but the feedback has been absolutely fantastic. You are all coping remarkably well and we're very, very proud of you. Today it's an opportunity to do something a little bit different, to take a break from the studies and enjoy some messages from our school leaders, some wonderful music from our very, very talented musicians, and some little items to encourage you to get involved in the enhancement program that continues to run even though we're learning remotely. Enjoy the assembly today. We look forward to seeing you back, hopefully in the not too distant future.
Good morning, students. Just wanted to say a quick hello and welcome you back, even though it's a strange way to start term 2. I know it's been a difficult situation on my learning and you're doing really well. Everyone is extremely impressed with how you've adapted and the work you're doing. I know that some of you have fed back to your heads of house that there's a lot of work on. Mr. Evans and I have looked through all of that feedback and we will make some changes to your workout output, your workloads. But in the meantime, stay well, make sure you look after yourselves and your family, and we're all waiting here for your return, and we'll see you soon. See you later. Bye-bye, everyone.
Hi everyone, it's Philippa here. I hope you and your families are safe and well in this period of self-isolation. This is certainly nothing like anything we've seen within our lifetimes before, and you are all doing an incredible job in the way that you are coping, adapting to changes that have been made and challenges that we're facing at this time. One thing that has especially motivated me has been knowledge that everything will go back to normal. We will see the rest of our families again, we will see our friends again, we will go to school again. But for now, in this period of isolation, here are some things that I've been doing. After sleeping in, I usually do some homework or study before homeroom begins. I know that it's hard to maintain motivation at the moment. However, if we implement a good routine into our lives, we'll be in good stead once school begins. It's really important that we stay connected and that we talk to our friends and family online. However, it's also really important that we step away from our screens.
Go on walks and get outside. You can bring your parents, your siblings, your pets.
With all this time at home, you might like to build some jigsaw puzzles, play games with your siblings or parents, practice your instruments. Personally, I've been rereading old favourites. Now more than ever, we are reminded of how fortunate we are to be in the good company of one another each and every single day, and to be part of a community like AGS. We miss being at school, we miss seeing our friends. So stay safe and stay at home, everyone. I can't wait to see you all again at school soon. We miss you.
Hello everyone, it's Casper here. First of all, I miss you guys so much and really wish we could get back to school as soon as possible. Right now we're under coronavirus period, so everybody stay at home and do online classes. This video is going to show you my quarantine life and how I deal with it, so let's check it out. At the beginning of quarantine, I was just in my pajamas all day. And after a while, when you're taking online classes, you're always sitting inside. It's really hard to stay motivated. So now, every day I get ready before class starts. Staying at home all the time is boring. But if you use this period wisely, life will become so much easier. These days when I'm free, I'll prepare dinner for the family. For me, cooking is so much fun. Some of you may know I love music so much, so I do some recording with my cousin as well. I can't wait to see you guys back in AGS. So everyone, please stay safe and I'll see you soon.
Guys, I hope everyone's doing well and keeping safe in quarantine. I know being locked in the house all day isn't the ideal situation, but I'll be showing you what I do throughout my day to keep active, keep in contact with friends, and also get away from those computer screens. Every day, I wake up before home and make sure I'm ready to begin my day. When I begin my online classes, I make sure I have a positive mind and am motivated to do my best. When I don't have time to go for a walk, I come and sit outside. It allows me to get fresh air, get out of the house, and also get me away from the computer screens. A good way to pass time and not be bored during quarantine is to take up a new hobby. I've recently started to bake, and although I'm not the best at it, it does take my mind off everything and it helps me relax. Since we aren't able to see our friends and we all miss them so much, I make sure that once a day I try to contact my friends. So that's what I've been doing throughout my day. I can't wait to get back to school and see you all. Bye!
Oh, hi there everyone. I was just doing my business. Mr. Logan, I hope you're proud of me. And I hope everyone has been doing well in lockdown. This is a little message from your school captains about how we've been coping in the current climate beyond the online classroom. For me, it's been a combination of three things. The first is physical activity, the second is learning a new skill, and the third has been talking to my friends. So speaking of physical activity, let's go do some now.
So I try and get outside for at least 30 minutes a day, just so I can get away from the desk and think about something that's not school. Here, Dana, catch. Ooh, sorry Dana. She'll be fine. Anyways, it's getting really cold, so let's go back inside.
Second activity I've been learning is a new skill. For me, that skill has been origami. Here's a crane I made earlier. And lastly, I've been talking to my friends. So let's talk to one now.
Hi George!
Hi Philippa! How are you?
Same as yesterday.
See, and yes, I know there isn't that much to talk about with your friends, but just having each other's company is good enough for me. Anyways, if that's the case, bye Phil!
Bye!
I hope I've given people a few ideas of the best way to spend your countless hours at home. So from me, I hope everyone is staying positive and hopefully we can see each other back at school very soon. Stay safe everyone.
Hi, my name's Max. I'm the school psychologist at Alphington Grammar, but I also run chess here with Mrs. Stewart. So why play chess? I mean, I think it's a fun, unique and beautiful game. But I think there are also a lot of life metaphors in chess. When you learn to play chess, you start on a journey that never ends. A journey where you learn the value of hard work and perseverance. And a journey where you learn to think, analyse and concentrate. Send me an email if you want to get involved. Look forward to seeing you.
know it's weird to say this, but I've been thinking about it lately. Reminiscing about us in Vegas, thinking how we're famous. Man, those days were crazy.
But your book ran out of pages, and now I wish I never waited to tell you out of all the moments in my life, the ones I got to share with you were probably my favorite. I know you're looking down on us, I'm missing you, girl, I hope you're proud of us. At least I know you made it home, and I know you're not alone. It's now you're singing with the choir, well now you're dancing with the crew. You ain't doing it solo, we all riding with you. No one can put your fire, nobody feeling your shoes. 'Cause now you're singing with the choir, we all riding with you. 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 With you.